Hi everyone again. In today's video, I want to share with you what I've done for previous 2 weeks. I wanted to record this video last week on weekend, but I had some problem with my pfSense configuration. I enabled Suricata. I did it. I want to show you this on screen right now. Here you are. For example, here you can see my pfSense and also the Suricata. But I enabled this not only in intrusion detection mode, but also I enable this in intrusion prevention mode. And when I tried to connect this to like real one ISPs, internet service providers, it got crazy with some packets, and I had to spend half a day to everything backup, troubleshooting, and everything else. I did it, and then what I've actually done for this time. Look at this. This Wi-Fi. First of all, I want to show you this on Proxmox. For example, I configured a Wi-Fi access point, which I showed you last time, and now I want to show you also this as well. I have behind my monitor that one. Now it works. I use it every day for myself. Only this bedroom uses this Wi-Fi access point. Only I do it. It's only for me right now. But it's also experimental and testing. It's not fast. I have maximum maybe 50 megabit per second from this access point and 2.4 gigahertz like waves. This. Okay, go ahead. Further. Here I want to show you it an example. For example, on this virtual machine. This virtual machine, which is Windows 10, it doesn't have physical connection with cable or even connection through virtual interface to pfSense LAN, but it has connection through Wi-Fi USB model. I want to show you this. Look at this. Here you can see PC with Proxmox with all installation, and this one is USB Wi-Fi access, not point, USB Wi-Fi, I don't know, plugin, and my Windows 10, which you see here right now, uses Wi-Fi from this access point right now. Okay, you can see it right now, for example, TechNet 2.4. This is my access point, my network right now for me. And also on my phone, I use the same. Go to check maybe is different, which I don't know which also from my home. One of these also from my home network, which uses all my family. And go ahead, for example. Also speed test, we can check it, how much I can get from that Wi-Fi point. It's go from Dutch. Go ahead and check it. You see, like quite slow. But for experimental purpose, it's like okay, more than enough. I can't show you this one from my phone, for example. Speed is quite faster than here because I am recording this video on my phone right now. 25, but usually it's better. Maybe now something happened with access point with Wi-Fi connection, but we can check also maybe how much I have. It's like this. Also go ahead and check here speed test. We can check on my browser right now. Speed test. The same provider. Go. Here, for example, you can see 140. This is exactly from ISP provider. I have this speed 140 megabit per second. This is maximum what I can have. And before it was 90 megabit per second, but also last week, not maybe week, on Monday or on Monday, I don't know. Yeah, I think it was on Monday or Tuesday. I connected my pfSense one interface to real one interface. It was successful. I could use all of this stuff. I got ISP, public IP address from ISP. It was different configuration. I sent a message also. I had a chat with ISP provider, and they sent me document how to set up this, how to do all these settings. It wasn't difficult. I had to use some configuration on pfSense. Here, for example, I have one LAN interface. You see this, and for one interfaces, one, no, not here. It was somewhere in another place, maybe. I don't remember where it was. System also. Set up, not advanced. No, interfaces, assignments. Yeah, here in assignments, you can see this one, this configuration. VLAN 20 on this interface, also VLAN to connect to one. Yeah, this interface. One, I have to change this one, for example, to this one. Here I can choose which one is one. This one. If I choose, then I will connect. If I choose and connect if I choose this one and connect to ISP's one, I can get a public IP address. And also I want to show you this, what I've got. Here, for example, you can see this is a screenshot. Now I also use like ISP's router temporarily. But here you can see 91, 17, and blah blah blah. This my like this was real IP public address. It's inside, and here you can see I use my Pi-hole like a DNS server. Okay, this one. When we use this, for example, what's going on with ads? For example, pfSense. Go to Proxmox, we see this, then open, then ads. For example, this website I showed you before, privacy, reject all, thanks for this choice. Usually we don't have this. And also I want to show you a couple of screenshots from my phone. This one, for example, what I see when I use this website, Visual Capitalist, this, I don't know, this article, this is what I see usually. And when I connect to ISP's router. And another one, this one, when I connect the same website, after, I don't know, after 1 minute, I reconnected, and the same website, and you see, no ads, nothing. Then also, another news, I ordered this one, mini PC with exactly with this chip N150, and I'm waiting for this. Maybe in 1 week, I think it's till 20 October should come. I don't know, but we will see. Then also my thoughts. I wanted to install everything on this mini PC like in bare metal, just pfSense and nothing more. Why? Because also I have Raspberry Pi 3B. Now I want to show you. I have Raspberry Pi 3B, and also I wanted to use this one like Pi-hole for me and separate with this mini PC. only pfSense, not Proxmox. Here Raspberry Pi and Pi-hole. But now also I am thinking like maybe it's not the best idea. It's better to use on this Toptron mini PC, use also Proxmox, install pfSense and also Raspberry Pi on the same device, because it's easier also to manage this the same device. And on Proxmox, for example, last time when I had problem, what I found out, like we have for everything like backup, and we also can create checkpoint. It's easier before maybe some configuration, before applying some configuration, to do checkpoint, then apply. If something wrong, you can roll back just and use without any problem. For learning purpose, maybe that's not the best, but if I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use this for my family, for my apartment, it's much better. If I do something wrong, I can roll back and then try to do this again. Raspberry Pi, I don't know, maybe for something else I'm gonna use it. Okay, next, what I've done here. NAS. I installed TrueNAS. I haven't started it yet because of I didn't have enough time. Today I'm gonna do this configuration and use this. Which configuration it has? I installed just TrueNAS. I haven't started. Now it's without any IP addresses, without any users, and without anything. I only configured or mounted 2 HDD disks, which I installed on my PC. I want to show you this as well. Go under table and we will see my PC right here, right now. Look at this. Right here. Maybe it's better to lay it down. I have 2 external HDD disks, each 2 terabyte. Also, first I wanted to use this one and NVMe, but I don't know, 1 disk for learning purpose, it's like much better to use 2. And also I created mirroring these 2 disks, and it has connection like outside, not SATA but just USB 3. Have these 2 ports here we can find, and these two connections. Yes, this interface for my pfSense works. LAN and 1 and 2 additional. And also I will keep you informed how it's going with NAS in the next video. But now also what I'm gonna do next, I bought an access point. Here you are, this one. I even not unpacked this one I want to show you. Yesterday I got it. Maybe next week I'm gonna connect this and configure all of this. I'm gonna use this also, like test all of this stuff, and then we will see. And also what I use now, here you can see what I bought. Look at this. Now I can measure how much electricity I use, like for hour, just how much electricity like consume my Proxmox PC. And right now you can see 33, 31, but I'm gonna stop Windows, shut down, and we are gonna use less. Now its CPU works, and this is 25 watt uses per hour, I think. Now it's running 2 hours, almost 3 hours. I want to check how much take this PC. Also, I want to check all access points, maybe also my laptop and Toptron. I watched some videos, and people say this it's gonna take maybe 12, maximum 15, like something between 10 and 15 watts, twice less than this PC. But this PC is quite old, and I think it's not bad. For this PC, it's definitely not bad, like consumption. Okay, what I'd like to say next, maybe, I don't know what to say. Maybe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.